All right, so right when you start watching this video, you saw the title come in, you heard music, and then it kind of faded out. So music creates emotions. I want you to go and listen to some music and think, do you want to include some music as we teach? Right? I can actually turn on music right now. Can you hear that below? Like there's music playing slightly behind. So it creates a certain emotion. And sometimes some people think it's distracting. So you can get rid of it right there. See now, there's no music behind. It's really your choice. I personally like music if it's just settled, and especially maybe with the intro as they introduce what the lesson is about and they kind of slowly fade out so they can really listen to me and focus on my words and my teaching. So I prefer that at the beginning. Throughout the sales video, I like to have music throughout. So you need to decide, and the reason we ask you to pick, because it's again, it's representation of you and your brand. So I want you to select the least few choices, because sometimes people pick some ridiculous music and it just doesn't work and it's like really distracting. I suggest you choose music with no lyrics, no singing, no words, just melody. Because again, if there's lyrics in a song and you're talking, it's a disaster. It's super distracting for your students. So to summarize, music, I think it's a good thing. More choices, the better. So our editor can pick, and then we can figure out where and how to insert at later time. So go ahead, check out that website, select a couple options, and our editor will pick the one that works the best for you and your brand.